What is up? I am Crypto Mason, and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives, and we always find it. Now today, folks, we are back with a banger market update. We have so much good XRP news happening. We've got some HBAR stuff in today's video. We're going to look at the Quant chart, the Bitcoin chart, the XRP chart, and we're going to cover it all. So make sure you're watching until the end, drop a like and comment, and let's get straight into it, folks. As you can see, I'm back in Canada, folks. We were in LA. That's why the videos were kind of vlog style, but we're back for a bit, and then we leave for a bit again. But we are doing hard work right now, building our trading company, Patience.io, folks. Right here, make sure you only follow the one with the golden check mark on Twitter, but follow Patience on Twitter. The official coming soon page is out now. We are going to close this list. So if you guys put your email here, you will get on what we're calling the early list, and you will be early. And in exchange for being early, we will give you a 10% off code to use when Patience launches. We're pouring everything. Me and Megan are building this thing to be the best of all time, folks. But let's get into the market here, okay? 27,549 Bitcoin. So, recently, like while I was in LA, Bitcoin was doing good. Bitcoin rallied up to 28,000, almost broke into 29,000. And as you can see, we have retraced a little bit. What I wanted to show you, this is the first free Patience indicator, folks. I will leave a link in the description on how you get this free Patience indicator. Basically, it shows the distribution, right? So this is overlaid on the RSI. You can overlay it on any other indicator, the MACD or other oscillators that you have. But what we can see right here, this is the 12-hour chart, Bitcoin against Tether on Binance. And you can see right here, we got out of whack on the RSI. And what this distribution shows on the right over here, it shows, how many times it's been up there or how often it's up there. And as you can see, like right here is one of our key levels because it's always there. The more or the higher these bars are, the more it's there. And I'll link the tutorial on how to use this in the description. But as we can see, we came back down, folks, to 27,500. Where do I think we're going? Honestly, I do not care. I just want to see another touch of 28,000, and I want to see us break past 28,000. I think once we get up into 30,000 and we break through 32,000, it's going to be game on. Because as you can see right here, this was a huge resistance right here back in July that we were toying with. And I think if we go past that 32K, something might really be happening. Now, let's get into the total market cap. I want to show you, September, the whole toying with 1 trillion, we recovered. Okay, we recovered. We went back up to 1.09, but technically we're still at the 1.09 box, right? We need to get out of that box. It's looking pretty strong. It's looking pretty good in my opinion. But just guys, I hope you have understood by now on this channel that we love the $1 trillion level. There's so much going on with the $1 trillion level with crypto. And, I can't wait until we're up back in the 2 trillions and, even hitting 3 trillion. That's going to be awesome. Now, let's get into I just want to remind you of how early you are, and then we're going to talk about Quant and look at the Quant chart and talk about why I think Quant can do a clean 10x in token value in the next bull market. So this is what I wanted to remind you of. Being in crypto right now is like driving a car on roads before stoplights, road markings, and any of that. Okay, this is what being in crypto is like right now. That's how early you are. You're driving the cars on the road before there's even road markings and before people know how to use the roads. What needs to crumble in this space will crumble, and what's real will grow strong. Certain things will also crumble for great reason. And then also, we're so early to crypto that they don't even legally know what to call these things. They don't even know. Are they crypto assets? Are they digital assets? Are they security tokens? Are they commodities? Are they currencies? Are they they don't even know. We're still in the process of making the road markings, okay? That just shows how early you are. And that just shows that you can absolutely chill out right now, right? You're in a great position if you're still watching and you're still here paying attention to crypto. Now here, let's go over the 10, or not 10, but a couple reasons why I think Quant will do a clean 10x. The first is the interoperability narrative that's coming down the pipeline. In the next bull market, a lot of people will be preaching interoperability as a main narrative, and Quant and Chainlink are the main interoperability narrative coins that I'm betting on. Quant and Link. Okay, I'm not one of these dudes who are gonna side with Link or side with Quant. Buy both. All these dudes on Twitter battling Chainlink versus Quant are so emotional. They're so emotional about their investments. Just buy both. Both are great. If one fails and the other one wins, who cares? You're in both, right? Next one, scarcity and demand for the product. Okay, that's self-explanatory. The demand for the Quant token will rise, or should rise, and the scarcity is already there. There's only 14 million tokens in total. Natural bull market utility coin hype. Quant has been looped in with these utility coins. And when that narrative goes crazy, like the whole XRP, XLM, HBAR, XDC, IOTA, Stellar, all that, when that goes crazy, Quant goes crazy with it, okay? Gigantic partnerships, possible partnerships that are under NDA, and Quant fits right into the new financial system. Now, why is Quant continuously dumping then? Look at this dumping, folks. This is absolutely crazy, right? We keep making these new lows, and it does not feel very good. Now, I told you guys, that the next time we touched 90 or 95 or something, that we would continue going further down. And that is documented. And I don't want to be the guy that's saying, I told you so, blah, blah, blah. Because I'm very bullish on Quant, right? And I'm always bullish. And I think this thing will go to 1,000. And I'm saying that here, I'm saying that here, and I'm saying that here, and here, and here, everywhere. Welcome to having conviction and real belief in your investment, right? I catch a lot of heat for saying that this thing will go to 1,000 here, here, here. Every day I'm saying that because that's what I believe. That's how you are a long-term investor, is no matter what the price is doing, you still believe that one day it's going to go crazy and be, 10 times the all-time high or whatever you think. So a clean 10x from here brings us to $860, which is about double the all-time high of the previous cycle. But what do I suggest doing? You could place some low leverage longs in here and hope that we pump back up to $100. That's very possible. It, however, is also possible that we continue going back down and we start toying with $60 and that type of thing. But I don't care. Perfect. Go down to 60. I don't care. Go down to $28 again and I'll buy, because $28 is where most of us bought in on Quant. Back when I started talking about it on my TikTok and YouTube, right? It was very, very early. It was before Quant was even on Binance, right? It was only on KuCoin. Now, let's move on to the XRP news because we've got a lot to talk about. The SEC's motion to appeal has been lost. Motion to appeal the loss in the Ripple case has been denied. So the judge has denied, they have denied the motion to appeal. So there is no appeal, but there's a trial date. The SEC announced after a July ruling that it would file an interlocutory, I think that's how you say that, appeal and move to stay any further decision making as it bid for an appeal court review of Judge Torres's ruling. So this was very, very good news. This caused the XRP price. By the way, this is the 5-minute chart right here. This caused a pretty big spike in the XRP price, all the way up to 54 cents again, just like what happened on. It's almost planned, bro. September 29, we pumped to the exact same level, peaked out, and then we're right back down. folks, when this happens, short it. Just short it, right? Put in a short anywhere here and it will end up in profit, but be careful, right? I will never tell you, I shouldn't be telling you to do that, right? And you have control of your financial decisions. But dude, when big spikes like that happen, it's not time to like long it and stuff unless you catch the news right when it's starting, right? And if you do follow my Twitter with notifications on, I tweeted about this extremely early, probably down here. So you could have caught along there. But, you know, if you catch any shorts in here, they're going to be in profit most likely. Hopefully we can hold this price up though. Now, Ripple has also been chosen by Juniper Research for 2 different things: sustainability in fintech innovation of the year and the CBDC innovation one. So congratulations to the Ripple team for that. We also have a new proposal going live for the XRP ledger, which is called Clawback. This is XLS 39, and this enables developers to provide enhanced trust and trust and safety for their issued assets. So make sure you guys go and read that new proposal. It is a dope proposal, and a lot of different people are talking about it. My favorite proposal right now is XLS 30D, though, with the liquidity pools. Now, the next thing is Ripple is now fully licensed to provide digital payment token services in Singapore. So earlier this year, they received in-principle approval of its license application, and now they have secured the full MPI license to provide digital payment token services in Singapore. So Ripple continues to stack up these licenses. Very, very bullish. Now, moving on, let's take a look at this HBAR ecosystem overview by Hashport, and made in collaboration with Archaea right here. This shows you just the caliber of stuff that's being built on HBAR, right? We already have an entire karate league, okay, on HBAR. We have an entire social media platform on HBAR. We have AAA graphics games being built, right? We have carbon credit solutions. We have DeFi products being built on it. It's just insane. We have stable coins. It's so dope to see this. And, you know, I'm along for the ride with all of you on HBAR. The other thing I wanted to point out, this is one of the many reasons why HBAR is better than Ethereum. Okay. I bet that if you go to your OpenSea with your Ethereum wallet and you check for scam NFTs, specifically on Polygon, you will see a ton of scam NFTs in your Ethereum wallet. And if you interact with those, it will drain your wallet. Because anybody with your Ethereum address, anybody can send you anything. And you don't have to accept it. You can't deny it. They can just send you a bunch of stuff, right? They could send you horrible, explicit images in the form of an NFT to your wallet. And it would just appear, right? And you can't like get rid of it. You can hide it in your wallet, but it's there still, right? It's still on the blockchain. It's there. Now, the difference is HBAR has a built-in anti-spam and anti-scam filter, because the way you send an NFT on HBAR, I have to associate the token before you send it to me. So you can't just send me a bunch of random NFTs. I actually have to approve them before they get into my wallet. So that is a very key point right there. Now, that is all for the market update. We're going to get into some of the partnered / sponsored section right here. Some very bullish projects. I encourage you guys to watch through this. Some super bullish projects that I am involved with here. The first one being Commonwealth. I wanted to give you guys an update. My Genesis Series NFT is still being staked. I'm still earning wealth tokens every single day. And, you know, they are coming. Oh, oops. They are coming in Q4 of 2024. Or, sorry, 2023. Coming in Q4 of 2023. So, you know, this quarter. And, you know, the app is in alpha stage, I believe. Yes, the Commonwealth app. So there will be an app. There will be an early demo coming out, and they're launching on ZK Sync. Extremely bullish on Commonwealth. I am an advisor to their platform. If you don't know what they're doing, basically they want retail investors to be able to invest in the same private deals as the VCs, right? So they're creating what they're calling All Street, not Wall Street. All Street, because everybody is invited. It's open to all. So that is a dope project that I am involved with and watching. I'm holding the Wealth token. The Wealth token is not out yet, but you can stake and earn before it's even out. Next project I am watching closely is Tezos Domains. Now, Tezos is a layer 1 project that we've talked about on this channel, right? I used to be into Tezos NFTs big time, but Tezos Domains has just actually finished their raise, their IDO, and they were oversubscribed. So more people invested into it than they even anticipated. And Tezos Domains, essentially it allows you to get, .tez domains, which is like .xrp, .hbar, .eth. I own all of those, .eth, .hbars, .xrp. I own .nft, NFT.com. Yeah, so .nfts, I believe. But they shorten these crazy Tezos addresses to .tez. And you guys can go look into the TED token, which is actually launching today on the 10th of October, which is very, very cool. Big shout out to Tezos Domains. That's their governance token, the TED token. And, you can go and try to get yourself some .tez domains. Now, next thing I wanted to talk about is USP. So update on USP. The thing I am watching with USP right now is the upcoming crowdfunding launch with Republic. So right now you have to be an accredited investor to get USP. Both me and Megan are advisors to the USP project. And it stands for United States Property Coin, basically USP. And basically they have a real estate portfolio that they're offering fractional ownership in by buying the security token. So they are trying to do this raise. Make sure you get on the wait list because retail investors will be able to participate in this. No financial advice, obviously. But I am holding the USP token, and I will be trying to participate in the Republic launch as well. Now, the next one we have is TG Casino. So this is a Telegram casino. Now, you'll see a lot of these Telegram projects coming to fruition, right? There's Telegram trading bots, and there's TG Casino, which is a full-on casino bot. So basically, it's a Telegram, it's a casino built directly into your Telegram, which I feel is extremely cool. Right here, you can see exclusive place for online anonymous crypto gambling, fully licensed. I have checked out their official license as well, and they do have their TGC token, which is currently in the pre-sale. And then here's their tokenomics. And basically, there's no KYC, no account setup. You can play with a smartphone, and it is all on Telegram. So if you click play on Telegram, it will ask you to open up your Telegram, and then boom, right here, you will be able to click start at the bottom, and right away, it will say, welcome to the world's #1 licensed crypto Telegram casino, ready to dive in. And then you click play now. You can access your wallet. You can buy crypto. Oh, I'm blocking it right there. There you go. You can join the community, buy crypto, play now, access wallet. And if we click play now, it's going to open up that. So I'm not going to do that on this video. However, TG Casino, go and check them out. And go and check out, the TCG token as well. Check out what's going on with that. You can earn staking rewards. They have their audit right here as well. And they're saying it's more than just a casino. It is an ecosystem that gives back to its players through constant rewards by leveraging their token. So very cool project. Big shout out to TG Casino. They got hundreds of games. They have sports books even. And crypto gambling is absolutely exploding. Here's their comparison to Web 2 casinos, their comparison to Stake, Roobet, and Rollbit even. And, Obviously, they're knocking them out of the water on this chart. So big shout out to them. That is all we've got for today's video. I love every single one of you. Drop a like and comment. Join the Gold Squad Discord. And goodbye.
Free.